This video demonstrates an unusual method of sharpening a drill bit using 3D graphics. For this method, you will need a bolt and nut with the same thread. Chamfer the edge of the bolt thread. Draw two parallel lines on the nut. The distance between the lines should be approximately 1 millimeter. Make marks on two opposite edges of the nut that coincide with the lines you drew. You can use a file, hammer, and center punch for this. Drill holes where the marks are, first with a small diameter drill bit, then with a large diameter drill bit. That's it. The drill sharpening device is ready. Now insert the drill bit into the holes drilled in the nut. Insert a metal washer of the appropriate size into the nut. Screw the bolt into the nut until it stops. The video shows how the drill bit should be positioned in the holes. Now the drill bit can be sharpened on a bench grinder. The edges of the nut will serve as a guide for the correct positioning of the sharpening device. When the edge of the nut rests against the grinding wheel of the bench grinder, it means that you have sharpened one side of the drill bit. Rotate the drill bit 180 degrees and sharpen the other side of the drill bit. The drill bit is sharpened like a razor. Everything worked out quickly and accurately.